So this is the question we are solving here right now. So here is the bracket. So this means we need to start solving by this. We need a question by this thing, because that's what bracket means. Bracket means we need to start solving from here. So we have 5, and we know that minus sign when multiplied twice, it becomes plus. So if it gets multiplied 5 times, it will become negative again. And the x will become x raised to power 5. And these two negatives, after getting multiplied with each other, which is the become positive, and this will be x raised to power 7, because this is the property of uh, of exponents. When x raised to power n is multiplied by x raised to power m, it becomes x raised to power n plus m. So this will be our answer for this question. Sorry for the handwriting.